Hello, it's John from Kart Daddy, and today we're going to have a quick look at the new dual handbrake that I've had manufactured. This is a new dual handbrake with the extra angled piece at the end. It also comes with the fixing brackets and the screws and this welded tab. I'll show you how this works in a minute when it's fitted to the go-kart. This brake pole has also been made longer so that it's got bigger space for the seat area, so you've got about 450mm for the seat box area, so it gives a nice width for adults and up to adults and children to use. And then we're going to show you how it fits onto the go-kart. The brake pole, as you can see, just goes across the base of your go-kart and attached on the bottom, screwed down these little metal brackets that goes, one goes here, one goes there, and they're held down with these little screws. This is what it looks like when it's screwed onto the base. Both paddles against the wheels, and this, if you wonder what this welded tab's for, this is actually stops the brake lever here like that. And not being used, it stops it from dragging on the ground. As well as a dual handbrake, we have Berg products available, but a lot of this is in stock now. And for the wooden go-karts, we have wheels, plenty of wheels. The bull bar axles selling quite well, and plenty of normal axles, and the dual brakes as well. We have new axles for the box carts, so if you've bent one or lost the bushes or anything, or lost the nut, we can supply the whole axle. And this is a direct replacement for the box cart front and rear axles, so those are in stock too if you need one of those. Okay, so that was a quick update about the dual handbrake and the wooden go-kart bits and pieces that are available. There are also special offers on the website if you'd like to go and have a look at gokartdaddy.com, and the Berg stuff is offers too. Okay, thanks for watching.